Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we will discuss how to choose the correct paper type when working in Sawgrass Print Utility. At the bottom of the job settings, you will find a menu labeled Media Type. Selecting this menu will offer you the ability to change your media type to the brand of sublimation paper that you are working with. We have several common paper types already listed here, including True Pix Classic and Text Print. If you do not see your preferred brand of sublimation paper on this list, please know that Type A and Type B represent the two common coatings that traditionally go onto sublimation paper. Our recommendation is that you try out Type A, as that tends to work with most paper types. If that does not work, you can switch to Type B. Please keep in mind that if you are working with VersiFlex, the option to use VersiFlex paper will only appear when you choose a VersiFlex project from the product list. Otherwise, the media type menu will default to the sublimation paper types. When changing paper types in Print Utility, please remember you still need to change the paper in the paper tray of your printer. That's all for today. See you next time.